The idea of running your own woodworking business from home and making a 5 or even 6-figure income is something that many people dream about. This explains why Woodprofits, which is a program by experienced woodworker Jim Morgan, is a runaway hit. When we were searching for woodworking business courses, we kept running across the Woodprofits in many different sites. People were mentioning how they benefited from the blueprints, thousands of legal documents, etc. that made setting up their woodworking business so much easier. Since we were intrigued by this program that everyone was raving about, we decided to investigate and see what all the hype was about. This is what we found out. The good points. 1. This product is an online bestseller with lots of positive reviews all over the internet. That's good social proof that cannot be bought. This tells us that the product is of high quality and reliable. 2. You're taught to build a woodworking business with an initial startup cost of about $100. This is not one of those you need money to make money type of businesses. If you put in the work and follow the advice in Woodprofits, you could build a sustainable business at a very low cost. 3. The 53-page Woodprofits guide is eye-opening. It covers topics that most other guides in this niche tend to skip over. This is probably because Jim Morgan has real-world experience. So, this is highly reliable information from an industry insider. 4. The Woodprofits guide comes with an audio version for you to listen to. So, people who dislike reading can just listen to the course while on the go. 5. The program is detailed, but it's easy to follow. Everything is explained in simple, easy to understand terms. Most people will be able to digest the information without getting confused. 6. This product also comes in a physical version. So, you can get the books and DVDs shipped to you. This is something we don't see most other online courses offering. Do note that you'll need to pay extra for shipping. 7. The product is covered by a 100% money-back guarantee. You can test it out for 60 days, and if it doesn't satisfy you, you can always get a refund. 8. This product over-delivers in every area. For the amount you're paying, you're getting plans, legal documents, blueprints, one-on-one consulting, VIP package, and so much more. This is value for money. The bad points. 1. This course is best for people who already have woodworking experience. If you're an absolute beginner, you're better off with another product like Ted's Woodworking Plans, which you can use that to hone your woodworking skills until you're proficient enough to do it for a living. Then you can apply the info in Woodprofits. 2. The earnings on the sales page are a bit misleading. You'll need to be running the business for a couple of years to get enough word of mouth to earn $150,000 from your woodworking business. It can be done, but it will take time. Should you get it? If you wish to start a woodworking business, this product is an investment that will pay for itself many times over. You're given everything that you could possibly need, from legal documents to woodworking plans. The price is very affordable, and you can always get help from Jim if you need it. Since you're covered by the refund policy, you really have everything to gain and nothing to lose. This woodworking business program has been proven to work. It's time to stop sitting on the fence and start building one. Get Woodprofits and build a successful woodworking business that you can be proud of. Get Woodprofits now.